All right, you know I got to do one quick shorts reaction because this is number 13 on trending. Is that what you're showing over there?
Yeah.
It's so easy to trick people. Shorts, like this is what YouTube is promoting lately. You can't escape the shorts takeover. And so I've been learning all about shorts content, Will, because I've been missing so much on this regular YouTube without shorts and TikTok on it. How did I manage to survive for so long without this level of content? Go ahead and play the video. 6 million views. Posted May 30th.
I should.
6 million views. May 30th. Are you happy? Are you happy with that?
No, I'm not.
Isn't this what you signed up
ridiculous.
for? Isn't this what you're here for? Is this okay? Hang on a second. Hang on a second. I feel like this is meant to do what it's doing to us. Is it possible that it's meant to frustrate you? Like that cheese in on the joke, sort of? No? Okay.
I don't know how I feel about it because I use TikTok and this is the same kind of content.
Let it all out, Will. Let it all out.
It's, I don't know, man. I just feel like it's not all the content is meaningless, but I feel like a lot of this is just not really informative, inspirational. It's just is. I don't hate it. I don't like it. It just exists. That's what it is.
Wow,
I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest.
You're really holding nothing back here.
Yeah.
You're really laying it all on the line.
I mean, congrats to her for a successful video. This is where you step in. What's your take on it?
I just don't know.
Start screaming.
I don't know. Isn't it inevitable that if we all gravitate towards the shorter the content, doesn't it have to become more meaningless? If we all get addicted to scrolling instead of paying attention, doesn't it inevitably become because understanding takes time, right? Nutrition takes time. Like if you want the most nutritious meal, you can't just chuck something in the microwave.
No, but I feel like this is an introduction to like content that you wouldn't have seen. It's an introduction. You know?
What?
At least maybe not for this content.
But what I'm saying is that attention span is correlated with intelligent creatures. Intelligent creatures typically have greater attention. If we're all cognizant of the fact that we are intentionally limiting our attention to volume of pieces of content, how are we to not assume that there will be an effect? How are we not to assume that this isn't what will happen with content?
Maybe not all content.
But I'm saying in general, a movement towards. I mean, I was already feeling that way on YouTube prior to TikTok blowing up.
Kind of like a shock factor.
Well, it just doesn't have enough time. The content doesn't. Yeah, like the things that were happening pre-click psychology. When a person would look at a video, decide if they want to watch or not. How long retention on a particular video. What was available to select from, and the addictiveness of actually selecting videos versus actually watching videos. There is something very attractive. You feel like you're getting more for less.
Yes.
But you might be getting less for more.
That's the wish or the dream.
That it's more for less, but it's actually less for more. That you're getting less and providing more, because when you look up and you've been on TikTok for 3 hours, you don't even remember what happened.
Yes.
So you've actually provided more of your attention and you've retained less of the occurrence.
The man, I guess with TikTok, there are gems in there. It isn't just like fluff.
No, I know, but the thing you're addicted to is actually hunting for those.
Yes. Yeah.
So you're there forever.
Which is not healthy.
Yeah, you're just there forever, right?
Yes.
Click on one more. Let's go to the top right. It's another one of her videos. Creepy videos in the making. Yeah, play that. There's probably music if it was on TikTok.
Yeah. Oh. So it's a girl sleeping on a pillow, and it's a vertical, and someone's pulling her hair.
All right. Yeah, I'm good.
That's
I'm good.
Well, this one didn't do too well.
Well, but that's a weird thing. They get picked up by the new YouTube Shorts algorithm and then just explode. There was a clip that we talked about the other day, which was the Jeep logo getting cut out. I think it's at like 15 million views now. And it was uploaded days before, but like the Shorts thing just boosted. Look it up, just so I'm not crazy. Just put Jeep logo. That's it. Try that. Oh, God. Come on. Really? This is where I do Jeep steering wheel. I'm going to die. I'm dead. This is not possible.
What were we looking at?
It had a billion views. The guy takes the knife and cuts out the center of the steering wheel. It was on trending not even that long ago. Oh, God. Stop killing me. Wait a sec. What if everyone's on this ride now and there's no way out of it? We can't exit yet. We can't leave it here, man. This was just in trending. Why can't I remember the damn name of it? We need like the historical trending page.
How do you get to Shorts?
You don't get to Shorts. Shorts
get to me.
Shorts gets to you. That's right. Finally, you're getting the hang of this, Will.
Yeah, this whole internet thing.
You don't get to Shorts. Shorts gets to you. Less is more, except when more is less. I just saw this thing still in trending. I need like the extended trending. Oh, recently trending. I may be in the right. I may be in the wheelhouse. Hold up. Don't go anywhere. Oh, no, I'm dead. I died. Anyway, so they'll just decide to push a particular Shorts clip. They want the Shorts crowd. They can't ignore it, man. People got addicted to TikTok. They can't ignore it. They want you addicted to YouTube Shorts, okay? So whatever. It's there, and we'll keep bringing that content to you when it hits the trending page. We'll make sure you don't miss a beat and you know exactly what's going on with the correct amount of time to process it, think about it, discuss it.